Hey, greetings. My name is Lance Bell, and you are about to partake in an artificial intelligence training class. I'm creating this video, think of it as homework or pre-work, so that you get a few things knocked out before we get together in order to maximize our time. First place, what you're doing is you're going to sign up for 3 services. I'm going to throw in a fourth, which is a bonus site if you are into graphics, anything visual AI related. But otherwise, the 3 primary sources we're going to use are ChatGPT, which is a brand name. We're going to use Claude, and we're going to use Bard. So I'm going to take you through each one of these very quickly. Your job is to sign up for these, and all of these are free. There are paid options, but all these are free for what we're going to go through tomorrow. So the first place I want you to go to is openai.com. Best to go straight there. You can Google search it, but there's a chance that you could end up on the wrong site. And this is what you should see here on the screen. Their logo right here, a 6th jointed wreath. That's what you'd expect to see. Over here on the top right hand side, you got try and you got log in. So assuming you don't have an account, you're going to go to try ChatGPT. And since I have an account, let me back out of here. I want to take you through the login process, or at least at a minimum I can explain it. So here you go. So you want to sign up. This is the screen you're going to see. So you're going to sign up, and it's going to take you through. It's going to validate your email address. You'll have to go to your inbox, click a validation link. You're going to put in your cell phone number. It's going to send you a text message to put in and validate your cell phone. It's going to ask your age. It's to make sure that nobody, I don't know what their age restriction is, 18 or 16, nobody underage using the site. You don't have to put in your real birth date. Just put in something more than 20 years ago so you don't have any challenges. And that'll be it. You will have your own account set up. And then when you sign in, what you're going to see is the chat conversation window. Signing in here. OpenAI, actually you get the playground here. There's 3 different options. Again, we're using the solution that is ChatGPT. DALL-E 3 just came out this week. This video is being recorded on September 26th. DALL-E 3 is out, so we'll also do a little exploratory with that. Up here you're going to see you're going to see GPT 3.5, and over here, if you're on the free version, you'll see a little padlock next to GPT 4. I'm on the paid version, and we'll talk about reasons why I believe that's a good investment if it meets your needs a little later in the video. So that is signing up for ChatGPT. The next one is Claude by a company called Anthropic. And let's see, I want to get rid of that token, so I want to come at this just like you will. So the URL you're going to type in is claude.ai. And you can sign in if you have a Gmail account. You can sign in with your Google credentials, or you just sign up with your email address. It's a pretty straightforward solution. So you're going to sign up. It's going to validate your email address. Kind of a stinker every time you go here. It's going to send you a token, a login code that goes to your email. And I'll grab that because I want you to see what you're going to see when you sign in for the first time. All right, I have my unique token. Once you've got an account and you're right into the system. So this is what you're going to see. It's a little different orientation, but you're going to see the conversations that you've had over however many weeks or days that you've been into the system. And the final one we're going to do is Bard. Now, Bard is a solution by Google, and all you need is a Gmail account. You have to have a Gmail account, and it can't be a corporate account. Like I got a lot of different Gmail accounts here. It can't be one that's tied to a company. It has to be personal. So this is my personal Gmail address right here. I sign in with it, and this is what you get. So there's a sign up. Actually, there's not really a sign up process. You just come to bard.google.com. It's going to ask you to sign in with your Gmail account, and then it already knows who you are, so you're straight into the account. And then you'll see something similar to ChatGPT here on the side. Finally, again, if you're into visual graphics, and there's so many amazing things you can do these days with visual AI, I recommend that you sign up for a solution called Midjourney. It is the best of the best that's out there. We'll play with DALL-E, which is free, but Midjourney had a free account. took it away. I'm not sure if it's back yet. Things change on a weekly basis in the world of AI. So do a Google search to see if it's only paid or if they got the free account back. But this solution, Midjourney, is embedded inside of a social media platform called Discord. So it doesn't matter your opinion, or you have to be in Discord in order to make this happen. So here you can download a local application. You can do it in your browser. But basically, you're just going to sign up, which is what I did. So it's free to sign up for Discord. And then once you're signed up in Discord, you open up the app. So it's a web application. You will register for Midjourney, and you'll see this Midjourney bot right here. The deeper instructions on how to do this are online. And then once you're in the Midjourney bot, you can start creating just amazing visual artwork. That'll be the bonus end section of our next training class. So look forward to get signed up. Look forward to meeting you all soon, and make it a great day.